Hey Jibs, it's cold and I'm gonna do me brakes, these things. And yes, I've had a couple drinks, but only a couple, so I should be right still. These are, forget what they're called, Bendix brake pads with a blue titanium strip, I think it said. They're wheel bearings. Yeah, but look at these discs. They're not drilled all the way through, and they're not dimpled all the way through. They're just a bit of bite, and hopefully when bits of dirt, specks and stuff happen, it'll not stick around and cause warpage. I'm intrigued by those threads in those holes. I thought surely that can't be right, so I rang the local shop. This came from eBay, and if you see a link in the description to buy this disc, it's because I thought this was a good disc, and they went on without any problems. But we'll find out exactly what's going on with those threads, because I wasn't expecting those, but the brake shop said, yep, that is what they have. So it's cold and miserable out there, and my poor bug has to go out there for a bit while this car goes in there. This Rodeo, RC Colorado, blah blah blah. This is the 2003 two-wheel drive Rodeo high-rise. So it's a high-ride. It's got the torsion bar suspension. Virtually the four-wheel drive components go on this. In fact, if I'm right, the four-wheel drive components would actually bolt up. Anyway, time to ask my bug to leave the shed. Yeah, sorry Squish, you have to go that way into the cold.